Okay, class, I welcome you to another fantastic class. And before we go into today's class, I want to assure you, if you're watching me for the first time, please, I want you to sit back and relax, because this class, this tutorial is going to launch you into what we call graphic designing, and how you can design easily without stress at all. If you have been finding it difficult to know how to design or to come up with various type of concepts, I'm assuring you that my class will launch you into the easy way, and systematically way to get known of how to design in Coreldraw as a graphic design. Okay, so here in my class we with Coreldraw, Photoshop, and all that. So, but it's basically Photoshop and Coreldraw. Now, in my class today, I'll be teaching you how to replicate different types of logo, which you might not find easy to design with several software. But in my class, I'll be using Coreldraw to teach you the systematical way and techniques at which you can use to come up and replicate whatever logo in this world that you needed to design. All right. As you can see on the screen, this is LALIGA logo. So you may have a project that you want to design, or you might be called upon in LALIGA company that they want you to design a particular project for them, and they may not really give you what you need to use. All you need to sort out is to go to the internet and get whatever is needed for the project. Now, this is LALIGA logo, and if you are just joining me for the first time, endeavor to click on the subscription button, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click on the like button. All right, in Coreldraw, I have told you what Shape 2 is used for. The help of Shape 2 will enable you to design or come up with easy logo design, any type of logo at all. The help of Shape 2, which is this, will help you in this regard. Okay, so now let's go ahead. What we need to do first here is this. We have something like an object that is being used, or that we can call a circle, but it was systematically done in a way that looks so convincing. But as a graphic designer, cool down, just chill. It is easy to get. So what you need to do first is this: get this shape out, then you replicate it to other. You get one of these shape out, then you replicate it to other. So the first thing we need to do here is to click on the rectangle tool. All right, then you draw the shape out. Then after that, you click on Ctrl Q, that is to break it for adjustments. Okay, so you drag this up, you drag this here, you drag this here, and you drag this here. Okay, then here you're going to click on to curve. Click at the middle, click to curve, then curve it out. Okay, then the same thing here, you click at the middle, then you curve it here. Okay, so zoom in and zoom out. Then the next thing for you to do is to start copying it here. Then you use your rotating tool to adjust it according to what you are seeing here. All right, then the same thing comes here. So you don't need to draw any other thing apart from the first one you did. Okay, all right, all you just need to do is to copy and paste, then adjust it appropriately. So before you choose any color, make sure all these things are completed. All right, so it is as easy as this to get a this type of logo. Okay, just make sure you are concentrating. All right, okay, can you see that? Then same thing here. Okay, all think this is the last one. This is the last one. All right. Okay, so this one is done. Then the next one is the football inside. So what you need to do again is to draw your circle accordingly. Okay, draw it accordingly. We are also going to take the same process at which we used to get the first symbol. All right, so the next thing is to get another circle inside. Then once you get it, that means this is a double circle. All right, so once you've gotten that, then click on the one inside, then press your shift key and click on the one outside. All right, then come over here to your property bar, then click on word. No, is it word? Click on trim. All right, click on trim. Then once you've done that, you can now easily remove this. So we now have this being joined together. All right, so you can see it has been joined together. Then the next thing is to get this shape out. So the same way, come here and click on your rectangle tool. All right, then convert it to Control Q. Okay, Control Q. Then here at the middle, you click on at the middle, then drag it down. Then you make sure you delete this, then you come this way, come this way. All right, then you come here, click on this, then go up. Okay, and drag it a little. Or I think this is will be difficult for you guys. Let me use the other tool, which is this. You come to freehand tool, click on Bezier tool, then click on this, click on this, click on this, come here, click here, click on this, and end it here. All right, so all you need to do now is make sure you curve this, then curve this too. Okay, then here too, you curve it, then you curve this too. All right, so what next? Here, okay, I think this is how it's been done. It was not curved outrightly like that, so I think it is like this, then like this, like this, like this. All right, then this too. I think this is okay. Then what you need to do now is to replicate it. So others, okay, replicate it, adjust it accordingly. Same thing here, replicate it, adjust it, and same thing here. Here, adjust, right, then here as well. Okay, I think this is better. All right, then here in the middle, you come to this tool, polygon tool, and drag it out. This is as simple as this. So all you need to do is to color it black. All right, then once it has been grouped, you move here and click word. So everything is now like this, as you can see. So I think we are almost done. Then the next thing is to get the colors right. Go to your color palette, then this is here, then this is also here, then this is green, I think this is yellow, then this is darker. So what you need to do is to press your control, then come over here, this all round black, double click on it. Just click on it, keep tapping. All right, I think that is all. Then you remove the outline, then you type out this, or you come over here. So you may not have this this particular fonts in your system. So what I normally do is to come here, go to trace bitmap, click on it, then click on trace quick there. I think I have done that, so you can now see it has been done. All right. You right this color. Okay. Group it all, then so I think this is it. Okay, this is it. This is how you can come up in Coreldraw. Okay, this is how you can do it in Coreldraw, to design a logo in a simple way. All right, so what you need to do here is to click on this, click on here, then trim it off. Click the circle, click on shift, click on the main word, then click on trim. That is all. So this is how you can replicate this type of logo. Okay, this is how it can be done. This is how it can be done. All right, so I believe we all know, or we now have the idea of how to come up with LALIGA logo. This is it. This is it. All right, so you can as well use this. Click on this. Okay, let me make use of this. All right, so this is going to be the end of my class for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you found this useful for you, and click on the like button. This particular series is going to be long because I will be coming up with different logo. I'll be teaching you different type of logo, how you can replicate them, how you can forge it out, how you can do a particular logo that will also look like what you picked from the internet. So bye. God bless you.